I just spoke with Riverside County health officials who are concerned about new coronavirus infections. As of Friday, the county has had more than 10,000 confirmed cases of coronavirus, with nearly 380 deaths related to the virus. More than half of those infected have already recovered. The Coachella Valley has accounted for about 25% of the county's cases and about 22% of its deaths, meaning the valley has been hit harder than the county as a whole. Take a look at this graphic behind me. While the doubling rate in the county has slowed to about 33 days, health officials are still concerned that the number of new cases is growing. In fact, for 3 straight days this week, the county has had more than 300 new cases of coronavirus, which you can see is a sharp increase from where we were just a few weeks ago. Why are coronavirus cases on the rise?
Well, we've been expecting an increase because of the opening of the economy, the recent Memorial Day weekend, public places being more open, and so we did expect an increase in cases.
Looking now at hospitalizations. As of Friday, 232 people were hospitalized for coronavirus in Riverside County, with 71 in the ICU. And that includes the Imperial County patients who were moved to Riverside County hospitals after their hospitals reached capacity. Eisenhower health officials say not all of the cases have been from care facilities as they saw in previous weeks. Instead, they include members of the community. And look at this. The number of hospitalizations in the Coachella Valley has climbed dramatically since May 23rd, which is when California moved to accelerated stage 2 opening. What numbers give you the most concern, and when do you really sound the alarm?
The numbers of concern would be if this is a trend that, let's say, lasts 2 weeks or 3 weeks. That would be something that would be very concerning. And at this point, we see the bump that's been going on for the better part of a week now.
Taking a look at the highest rate of cases per 1,000 residents in the valley, it's clear that East Valley communities have been hit the hardest. Thermal, Oasis, Coachella, and Mecca have more cases per capita than all other 15 valley communities combined. Why have some communities, including the eastern part of the Coachella Valley, been hit the hardest?
Those are things that we're trying to find out too. We're doing our contact tracing, of course, and that'll help a lot when it comes to trying to talk to our cases, our patients that are positive, talk to them about their history, maybe get a better idea of what they did, where they went, if there's a pattern that develops, whether it's a particular event or location that's problematic.
Now, it's important to remember the number of confirmed cases could also jump as testing becomes more available to everyone, including those who are asymptomatic. At this point, more than 145,000 tests have been administered. Meanwhile, current projections show the county expects there to be 10,874 cases and 489 deaths by Monday. So though businesses and facilities are beginning to reopen, health officials urge you to remain vigilant, continue to social distance, wash your hands, and wear face coverings in public. And be sure to watch my full in-depth interview with the County Public Health Director coming up at 6:30 on CBS Local 2. For the I-Team, Peter Doubt, News Channel 3.